Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is November. November means getting ready for Christmas. It's not too early. My tree is up, and every year we build a DIY fireplace because we don't have one here. So go back last year and the year before, see what we did then. Now this year the girls have asked for something a little bit more different. They do not want to be on camera, so you're stuck with me. And they've drawn me a picture of what they would like. So I've been to Sainsbury's. I've got fruit crates because they are not as deep as cardboard boxes. So if you don't have much room, these are a little bit more flush to the wall, and the cardboard is a lot stronger and sturdier. A bit harder to cut, so you will probably have to use a knife rather than scissors. So I have my boxes, I have some paint, and we're going to give this a go. I hope you like this. Please give us a like, please subscribe, because we have lots of Christmas things that we are doing this year, and hopefully you can come and do them with us. Let's get started. Okay, so the plan is these ones here, I'm going to cut them lengthways so that it doesn't stick out so far, and then put them together. So let's see how this works. So they are cut in half lengthways. I had to do it with a knife because it's quite tough cardboard actually. Right, let's get these together. Okay, so I have another box, and on here I'm going to try and draw some kind of archway. I'm going to tape it together, and then it will need covering in some paper because it will be painted and you can't really paint over that tape.
Families near, we give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day. When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas. A winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. dazzle us all, from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, bright presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day. When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all, from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, bright presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.